everyone. This is the presentation of Group 7. The topic is all about the t-test. And I am Angelan P. Saberon.
And I am Alea Donna Valiao.
And I am Maika Andong.
This is the definition of t-test. A t-test is an inferential statistic used to be determine if there is a significant difference between the means of two groups and how they are related. T-tests are used when the data set follow a normal distribution and have unknown variance, like the data set recorded from flipping a coin 100 times. The t-test is a basic test, is limited to two groups. For multiplied groups, you would have to compare each pair group. For example, with three groups, there are be three tests: AB, AC, and BC. While with seven groups, there will need to be 21 tests. The basic principle is to test the null hypothesis. That means of two groups are equal. Meaning, t-test is a statistical test used to compare the mean of two groups. It's commonly used in hypothesis testing to determine if that is a process or treatment has a real effect of the population of interest, or if two groups are truly different from each other. The t-test assume a normal distribution parametric data. Underlying variance are equal if not used Welch's test. It's used when there is random assignment and only two sets of measurement to compare. There are two main types of t-tests: a dependent measure t-test when samples are not matched pair t-test when sample upper is paired before and after. A single sample t-test compares a sample against a known figure. For example, when measure of a manufactured item are compared against the required standard, meaning the t-test assumes that the data is normally distributed. You need to use a parametric test.
Application of research. To compare the mean of a sample with a population mean. To compare the mean of one sample with the mean of another independent sample. To compare between the values readers of a one sample but in two accretion. Number 1. Sample mean and the population mean. The general step of the testing hypothesis must be followed. HO. Sample mean equals to population mean. Degree of the freedom n is -1.
This is the formula of t-test. Student t-test equals mean minus theoretical value divided standard deviation and variable set size.
Example, the following data represent hemoglobin value in the GM over DI for 10, 10.5, 9, 6.5, 8, 11, 7, 7.5, 8.5, 9.5, 12. Is the mean value for pointed significantly differ from the mean value of general population 2 GM/DI. Solution. Mention all steps of testing hypothesis. 8.95 minus 12. T is equals to 1.50201. equals to negative 5.352. Check 10. Then, compare with tabulate value for 9dt and 5% level of significance. It is 2 minus 262. The calculated value to debited value, reject HO, and conclude that there is statistically significant difference between the mean of sample and the population mean, and this difference is likely due to change.
The Titi's formula. The Titi's formula is applied to simple population. The Titi's formula depends on the mean variance in standard deviation of data being compared. There are three types of Titi's: the Colby performed and then number of samples collected. Number 1, one simple test. Number 2, independent simple t-test. Number 3, paired simple t-test.
Number 1. One sample t-test formula for comparing the mean of population X from samples with a specified theoretical mean U. We use a one sample t-test. Example: let's say you have sample of 20 students from a college and their average height is 5'8". The national average height for college student is 5'9". You perform a one-step t-test and obtain a p-value of 0.03 since the p-value is less than 0.05. You reject the null hypothesis. This suggests that the average height of students of this college is significantly different from the national average, possibly indicating a difference in the student population. Number 2. Independent t-test. The independent t-test compares the means of two separate groups. It evaluates the null hypothesis that there is no difference between the groups' mean. This test is commonly applied in experiments where subjects are randomly assigned to different treatment. And this is the example of independent t-test. Imagine you want to compare the average test scores of students who receive new teaching method, Group A, to those who receive the traditional teaching method, Group B. You collect test scores from 20 students each group. You perform an independent t-test and obtain a p-value of 0.02 since the p-value is less than 0.05. You reject the null hypothesis and conclude that there are a significant difference in average test score between the two groups. This suggests that the new teaching method has a significant effect on student performance. Number 3. Paired t-test. The paired t-test is used when the same subject are tested under two different conditions. It measures the difference in means from paired observation. Hess test is particularly useful in pre-test, post-test design, or match sample. This is the sample of paired t-test. Let's say you want to test the effectiveness of a new weight loss program. You measure the weight of 10 participants before they start the program, pre-test, and again after completing the program post-test. And this is the symbol for percentage. The symbol for percentage is a t-test usually presented by the percent sign, just like in any other content. However, you might be asking about something else. Are you looking for a specific symbol used in a t-test calculation or result? Conclusion: the t-test is a fundamental statistic tool for comparing means between groups. Understanding it, application, assumption, and limitation is crucial for accurate data analysis. Mastery of t-test can significantly enhance research quality and decision-making process. And this is the end of our presentation.